Hi everyone, welcome back to Senior Tech Desk. Today we're tackling a common problem, running out of space on your iPhone. I'll share easy steps to free up space. The first step is to figure out what's using your storage. We're going to go to the Settings app, scroll to General, and select iPhone Storage. You'll see a colored bar at the top showing how your storage is being used. Things like photos, apps, messages, and system. So let's start by reviewing large attachments. These are from text messages sent to you, and they include files, videos, photos, and GIFs. If you've already downloaded them to your phone, you won't need to keep them here. So to get rid of them, tap Edit, and then tap the dot for each one you want to remove. They're listed in order of largest to smallest file size. So start by deleting the largest. We'll go ahead and choose those, and then we'll click on the trash can. That frees up a little bit of space. Make sure you have them downloaded first if you need to keep them. If you're not sure if you've downloaded it, go back to the conversation it's from and tap on the download icon. It's the square with the down arrow. Once that's done, come back and delete as many as you can by tapping on Edit, tap the dot, and then tap the trash can. It will recalculate your storage. You can also choose to offload unused apps. When you click Enable, unused apps will be removed, but their documents and data will be saved. Offloading can be useful if you think you might use it again in the future, or if you want to save progress, like in a game. On the other hand, if you choose to delete an app, it removes the app and the data related to the app. So scroll through the apps on this list, look at the ones you don't use very often, and choose if you want to offload it or delete it altogether. This is a good way to free up storage. So for this app, I'm going to go ahead and click Delete. So now I'm going to have 200 megabytes back into my storage. I'm going to offload this one. When I'm ready to get that one back, I can just reinstall it. So go through and decide which ones would make the most sense for you to either delete or offload. That will free up storage. Now let's explore another way to free up storage. By deleting photos and videos. Open the Photos app and take a moment to review your collection. Decide which pictures and videos you no longer need. Videos take up the most space, so go through those first. When you're ready to start deleting, tap Select, then tap on all the videos and photos you can get rid of. Then tap the trash can icon to delete them. But don't stop there. Deleted items are moved to the recently deleted folder and still take up space. Open that folder, review the files, then empty it to free up the storage completely. Tap on Select, tap the three dots at the bottom, then tap Delete All and delete from all devices. Your text messages can take up space too. Let's change our settings for how long we save them, and also look at deleting some. Go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and tap Apps. Then scroll to Messages. Then scroll down towards the bottom and tap Keep Messages. This gives you the option to save them for 30 days or 1 year. Decide if you'd like to get rid of your text messages or if you want to keep them forever. From the Messages app, swipe left on a conversation to delete, then tap the trash can. If you want to look at text messages you've recently deleted, open the Messages app, tap Edit in the top left corner, and then tap Show Recently Deleted. You can recover a message or you can delete them all. So just to review, you go to Settings, then to iPhone Storage, and then review your large attachments. You can offload apps or you can delete apps. With just a few steps, you'll have more space on your phone for the things you love, whether it's new photos, apps, or just a faster, smoother phone. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Senior Tech Desk, and share it with someone who might find it useful. If it wasn't helpful, please leave me a comment and let me know what would be helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.